How to fix your chat setting prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily fix the problem where it says your chat settings prevent you from sending messages. So if you are joining an experience and you're not able to send messages because of your settings, I'll show you guys how you can easily change it. So if I just go over to the chat over here, as you can see here, I've joined this experience, but I'm not able to uh, do any chats. So I can just set up my stand and walk around, but there is no active chat option up top here. So what I'm going to do here is go back, leave the game, and then you want to go to your settings. For that, go to more at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and find your settings menu. Tap on settings. Then from here, go to privacy and content restrictions. And after that, go to communication. Now you need to make sure that you head over to experience chat and make sure that the experience chat is set to everyone. So currently it was saved set to no one, so I'll just change it to everyone. Do the same thing for direct chat as well. And once you do that, you can go back, go to party, make sure that your party is selected to connection and group party is also selected to connection. And once you do that, you can go back and I'll join the same game. So it was this game right over here. I'll just join it. Now, as you can see here, if I just move around, I have the chat option available on the top left corner. So I can just go ahead and select the chat and I can easily start typing over here. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.